What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back in the video. We're here at the flea market, and as you can tell, it's very dark out here. It's super early right now. It's probably like 5:30, and let's see what we can find.
I had to give the guy 40, it's only 60 of that, but we're at 80 bucks in the first 5 minutes, which is half of what you made in a 5-hour garage sale, huh?
I need to get more change real quick. Give me a second. Thank you. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep it real. You can just look yourself. It is so dead out here. Like, what the heck? Look how empty it is. What happened? Where'd everybody go? So this is what I've sold for the pirate so far. I sold my dad 80 bucks. There's one Xbox I found this morning for 20 bucks, and I just walked by. I was gonna come back and get it maybe if they're still there, but it wasn't there anymore. That's like the one thing I maybe could have bought I seen today. Back to our booth. We made some sales. He said he sold all of our knives that we had. We had a bunch of combat knives and things like that. He sold it for like 300 bucks, so we'll take that. Sold like probably like 500 or 600 now. Maybe a little bit more.
How much?
Give me 3 bucks.
3?
Yeah. Give me 3 bucks for that. Oh, thank you. Give me 15 on that.
Alright, I'm waiting for my dad to text me back. I'll let you know in a minute. He messes with that stuff.
Alright. Bro's having a good time over there, y'all. How much you on the Xbox?
30.
How much on this one?
Yeah, 30.
Same for this one? How much on the controller?
5.
You don't have the cords with this? No.
Okay.
Thank you. I was just surprised. Why Jesus? He said 30 on this, but 30 on the other one too. When the other Xbox is like 20 years older than this one. It can't be the same price if they're not the same console at all, but whatever.
That one I do 10 bucks, bro. It's brand new. Probably worth more than 10.
Thank you.
How much is that worth?
I mean, it's like 30 bucks free shipping on eBay, but it's free shipping on eBay, so I got paper shipping. As you guys heard, I told him. I sell this for about like 30 bucks, free shipping. He's cool, he knows I'm a reseller, I like him. Oh, crap.
I know, sorry.
It's all right.
Let's see, I have change. Do you want change?
Yeah, it's fine. Change is easier.
Okay.
Bam, easy sale. She tried handing me a 20 at first for $1 sale. I'm like, damn, I don't want to do all that. But she had a 5 in there too. Like she was going through and she like saw the 5 app. We're like, what the heck? Give me $1 a piece on those.
Huh?
Give me 2 bucks for those.
For both?
Yeah, $1 a piece. Give me 3 bucks on that. Thank you. Perfect.
Right now, I saw the shirt in the back. Anything good in those shirts? Or?
I think so. He said like 1980s Metallica shirts. I don't know anything about shirts,
Oh,
but
really?
yeah.
Oh, can I bid live right here?
Yeah, you could.
How are these not selling?
I don't know.
How are these not selling?
How many?
I've never seen this. What happened when you
2
have
jeans?
so many jeans?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's the value?
$3 a pair.
$3 a pair.
This too?
No, that one.
Okay. Give me 3 bucks. Thank you. Yeah, we're just giving stuff away. You guys let me know in the comments how much like I'm giving stuff away for. You guys probably know the prices of the things I'm selling. I don't really exactly know, but I know for us to have it out here, my dad does not care too much. But also, my dad's live on Whatnot. Bro's just selling on Whatnot right now. Look at him back here. He's live at the flea market. He's selling at the flea market while we're selling at the flea market.
That's a pen. We're literally selling at the flea market while selling at the flea market. I'll run the Mickey Mouse. I'll do it for you right now.
Yeah, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 25 bucks.
Are you selling the soil?
No, we just bought that. I think they're selling it like a couple rows down there, so we got it from. Yeah.
Oh, okay, mijo, thank you.
Sure.
I'll do it. Yep. Appreciate it. Thank you. Deal, you guys. $3 jeans. Like, come on. You just sold her like 11 pairs of jeans for 25. That's a freaking steal. That's probably you buy 1 pair of jeans. Give me 2 bucks on that.
Oh, sorry.
You're good. Thank you.
How much for this?
Yeah, give me 2 bucks on the jump rope. Give me 10 bucks on it. There you go. Thank you, man. Now let's do our final walk around. Now let's finally do it. It's pretty late. 9 something probably now. We're still selling. let them sell for a little bit, and let's see if we can somehow find something. There's no way we can. How much you doing on the PS4?
It's 300 for the other one.
Yeah. It's that same PS4. It's been out there for a few weeks, and like I want to get it, but like I just want the PS4. But he's still gonna ask like 150 probably just for the PS4. How much you want on an Xbox?
$5. These two. That one I'm asking 15 because that one goes complete with the mods, I mean the controls, charger, and everything. The other
All
one,
right.
$5 each, and that one 15.
All right. That guy's nice, dude. That guy actually, I've never had that happen with Flea Market. Dude, that guy, he like turned off his music when I walked up pretty much. So I think he saw I was recording. And he like turned it up when I was walking away. What a homie. Never seen that really here. Everyone, of course, I have no, like, I don't expect him to ever do that. You definitely should keep the music on. Like, why'd you turn it off for me? But that guy had turned it off for me. That's pretty dope. I'm just gonna go buy a console. 15 was not too bad. They don't have the full power cable, which is my only issue with it, to be honest. Oh, let's do it. Let's just do it. I think I might have it all the way because all these Xbox 360s have different wiring. So I don't have all of them, but let's just buy this real quick. I can't be cheap without it. Come on. I kind of just want to ask, how much you selling your TV for? Oh, okay. She's not reselling. I just want to see if she's reselling it. Just want to make sure. I wouldn't have cared. I just thought it'd be funny. I want to see what she was asking after we sold it to her. You having a good time there with them ducks? I heard it. You're going crazy.
Yeah, I know. It sounds good, though.
Here you go. I'm just gonna get this one.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Thank you, man. All right, thank you. Thank you, man.
All right, buddy. Have a good one.
You too. That guy's cool. I like him. Bro was just vibing over there. He was just going on beat with them rubber duckies. A lot of these ones get the red ring of death. This one is a 16.5 AV, and the other one's normally like a 12.5 or 14.2, I think, or something. But all of those ones are like a worse power supply. I'm pretty sure like they have less power in them, which makes them have the red ring of death more often. So this one has pretty much a better chance to not have the red ring of death. Dollar, dollar, dollar! Everything over here is $1. Get it for $1, folks. Everything over here is $1. $1, one item. There we go, guys. There we go. The dollar sale has commenced. Time to give it all away, chat. All right, guys, and we're done. We're out of here and we finished up. We're about to go home. Pay the trash people. And Dad, how much did we end up with, Dad?
I think we did about, I think we did like a little over 15.
1,500 for the day.
1,500 plus I have a whole slew. All these expensive shirts. That's gotta be a $500 pile here, minimum.
So yeah, 1,500 bucks. That's good. That's more than I thought we made today. And on top of that, I bought a couple things. He did a whatnot sale, so we'll see how much we sold then too. And yeah. The lovely thing about this is that we just paid our trash people. I think we paid them like 70 bucks or something, give or take something, to take up the rest of our trash.